We're looking at limits analytically, and this particular one here, which is under this section here, section 3, I guess you want to call that section 3, button 3, whatever you want to call it. Hey, that's kind of fun. Watch it light up. Alright, actually, we better get busy. What do we want to do first? Alright, so if we did direct substitution, plugging 2/5 directly in, you'd see we'd end up getting 0 in the denominator and 0 in the numerator. So we're going to need to factor this. This is the difference of two cubes up here in the numerator, and we're going to factor and cancel some stuff out and then do direct substitution and get a final answer. But let's move on over to the whiteboard. We have the limit. Do we want to do this in purple again? Been working all these problems in purple in this section. How about a little darker purple? We've got the limit as x approaches 2/5 of, what was it? It was 120. I'm trying to remember what it was. It was 125 x cubed minus 8, right? I think it was 8 over here, because that'd be 2 cubed over, ooh, that's not a straight line. It was over 5x minus 2. And like I said, if we do the direct substitution plugging 2/5 in, we end up getting 0 over 0. So we're going to need to factor this. Now we're going to need to know how to factor this up here, and I'm going to do a little side work over here. Let's draw a line in the sand here. Okay, so this actually can be rewritten as 5x quantity cubed minus 2 cubed. Right, so 5 cubed is 125, then of course we'd have x cubed. Now there was a formula that I had talked about in some previous problems in this section. This one here's got a little bit different spin on it because we have this 5 out in front, but that's okay, because what we're going to do is take this piece right here, and we're going to write 5x minus 2, if I can squeeze this in, and then we're going to have 5x quantity squared, and because this is a minus, we're going to write a plus here, and then we've still got the 2, so remember that's that coefficient, and then we have the 5x, and then yeah, okay, and then plus, and then of course we're going to where am I at, square that number there, and that just becomes a 4. Alright, and this is all over, of course, the 5x minus 2. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this. We have the limit as x approaches 2/5, and of course I need to write an equal sign out here. Whoops, not sure what happened to my screen. Move it. Yeah, okay, that works out. Alright, so we end up with 5x minus 2, and then of course this right here we can go ahead and say that that is going to be 25x squared plus 10 x plus 4, and that is all over the 5x minus 2, and now we can do some canceling, rewrite, and then finally do the direct substitution and find out what this limit actually is. And so we end up with 25x squared plus 10x plus 4. And then we go ahead and do our direct substitution, plugging 2/5 in. Well, I'm running out of time here. Plus 10 times 2/5 plus 4. Okay, let's pause.